Okay, so I was asked how I get a CPU speed sensor. So this is it. It's relatively straightforward. Usual thing, click on add to create the output and give it a name and select a unit. Now, because I've got a 6-core processor and HW info doesn't show a joint speed, what I've had to do is use 6 different inputs, all of which are from the Aqua computer hardware monitor, and then the each of the cores. So I'll pick one in turn for each core. I'm on core 1 there, and I'm not really bothered about the fallback values on this one because I'm not using it for anything critical. It's just to measure it as an output. So rinse and repeat for every single core. Then you have to start adding them all together. Unfortunately, I've not found an easier way than this to do it. So I've added the first two together, then I've added the third one to that, the fourth one to the output of that, the fifth one to the output of that one, and the sixth one to the output of that one. Put that all into A here, and then divided it by the number of cores, 6, to give me an actual speed. Now the problem here is it's giving it in hertz, so I need to step it so I get it in gigahertz. So I've used another set value of 1000 as a speed divider, just to give me the output as 3.8, whatever the value is for the CPU speed. And that is how I got a CPU speed monitor sensor in Aquasuite.